Giêsu gerteng trong mi kabatiang ta Giêsu misno yang abangaya.
Saint Monica was the mother of Saint Augustine. How shall we describe Saint Monica? She was a mother with tears, but those tears were her prayers. Her prayers were accompanied by tears, and her tears were accompanied by prayers. And look at the fruit. The conversion of Saint Augustine, the holiness of Saint Augustine. We have benefited from Saint Augustine, but do not forget the mother behind this great soul, Saint Monica. And may all mothers be like Saint Monica. You can get hurt, you can get disappointed by your own children. Cry if you have to cry, but pray all the time, because by your tears and by your prayers, your children can be converted. Your children can discover the love of the Lord. Saint Monica, help us to be good mothers to our children.